All right, so I've kind of put, this is the back side of the table after it's been cut. I'm gonna have to work on that edge to get it a little better, but until I flip it over, see how you got a gap or two, but that's at the bottom. I don't know what the top looks like right now. My priority is to put some battens in the back sides of these two leaves. These are more prone to warping and cupping than anything. And I want to see how that goes. If that goes well, I may or may not put one in the center of the table. But I've decided I've got 22 inches. You lay out, these are the Osborne table slides. So I basically have about 22 inches between that mark and that mark. It gives me a 1/4 inch of play. So I've got 22 inches marked here. These are the centers of the back side of these, and I've already marked it, laid it out. This is my jig I made a couple days ago. Just gonna slide right along there. And I'm gonna start with a straight bit set at a 1/2 inch depth. So it'll be 1/2 inch deep here. Once I do that, I'll switch to the dovetail bit. So I'm just going to plunge straight here. And then when I switch to the dovetail bit, you don't want to go left or right. You want to go in the center and then work your way to the edge. Otherwise, you'll take out the lip of the dovetail.